Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic that what is NFT. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in cryptocurrency and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, NFT stands for non-fungible token. Non-fungible means that something is unique and can't be replaced. By contrast, physical money and cryptocurrencies are fungible, which means they can be traded or exchanged for one another. Every NFT contains a digital signature, which means each one unique. NFTs are digital assets and could be photos, videos, audio files, or another digital format. NFT examples include artwork, comic books, sports, country, collectibles, trading cards, games, and more. Non-fungible tokens or NFTs are cryptographic assets which sit on a blockchain, that is a distributed public ledger that records transactions. Each NFT contains unique identification codes that distinguish them from each other. This data makes it easy to transfer tokens between owners and to verify ownership. NFT holds a value which is set by the market, that is supply and demand, and they can be bought and sold in the same way that physical assets can. NFTs are digital representations of assets and can also represent real world items such as artwork and real estate. Tokenizing real world tangible assets in this way is considered by some users to make buying, selling, and trading them more efficient, as well as potentially reducing the likelihood of fraud. The NFT market is considered high risk, and its volatile highs and lows can deter even experienced investors. If you are thinking of buying NFTs, it's important to have a clear understanding of the process. The first step is to open an account on a crypto platform or crypto exchange. A crypto exchange is an online platform where you can buy and sell different types of cryptocurrencies. To buy NFTs, you need to create an account with your chosen platform. Different platforms offer different services, so it's worth researching them to find out which suits you best in terms of features, fees, and ongoing support. A crypto wallet stores the keys that grant access to your digital assets. Users are given a unique seed phrase, also called a recovery phrase, to access their wallet. It's essential to keep your seed phrase safe. Without it, you lose access to your wallet. Wallets can either be hosted on an exchange or may operate independently. If they operate independently, then you retain responsibility for your wallet and private keys. So once your wallet is connected and funded, you can start buying NFTs. When you buy an NFT, you gain ownership in the sense that it becomes your property. However, the NFT holder doesn't have other rights to the work, such as the right to adopt or reproduce it, unless that is part of the direct agreement between the buyer and creator. Different marketplaces may place varying restrictions on the NFT you purchased. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.